So we just attended the Henderson Holiday Festival, watched an incredible drone show. What did you think of that, Tig?
It was awesome.
Oh my God, it was unbelievable.
Yeah.
I just can't wait to see what it looks like when I upload it. But this is this is our YouTube channel's first video.
First video.
Yeah. So obviously
November
30th,
30.
2023. Obviously we need more practice because you know we're just beginners.
Okay.
And we gotta let that car go, and then we're gonna go smartly. We did not park in the big parking garage. We parked up the street so we can do a quick exit.
Okay.
This is unrehearsed, so if it looks totally polished, that's coincidental.
This is original.
This is all original, unedited. In fact, maybe our channel will be the unedited video channel. Like we're just gonna stick it up there where the sun don't shine. Yeah, that's how we roll. We're just gonna say things that are unfiltered.
So don't forget to hit like, thumb up, you know.
Yeah, hit that subscribe
Ring the
button
bell,
down below.
Subscribe button below.
If we had other videos, you could hit them next over here, but we don't. So yeah, this channel will probably never turn into much. We'll probably just watch this video when we're drunk and laugh at it. In fact, it's a Thursday night.
It's cold.
And it's cold.
Cold.
As Tick just told you.
Cold.
By the way, we're downtown Henderson on Water Street, and this cool architect has totally turned this place around. You got to check these buildings behind me. I mean, look how cool they are. It looks like you're in, I don't know, Santa Monica, but you're not. But someday, maybe. So they're building all these cool buildings around here. Look at this. This building is painted with my favorite colors. Orange, gray. Very, very cool. Looks like it has like a... Yeah, that place is packed all the time. That is a very, very big time Italian restaurant. So we're gonna get into this. Oh, it unlocked even with what do you call it?
Ooh, need you to restaurant.
Oh yeah, now that's on video.
Hi
Yeah.
everyone.
Yeah, you can hold it right here.
No, we don't need
Okay, well, I guess we can turn it off.
Yeah.
Our first video is done now.
Yeah.
And we'll do something cool like bang.